Okay, so we've got a whopper of a fish here. This is for 4 kg fish, 8.8 pounds. This is a hamor, a type of grouper, also known as reef cod. I mean, it's really big. Look, there's a regular size can. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's like 4 cans in length, just to sort of give you some concept of it. That's my arm. Really, really big. Nice big head on that. Now we're going to chop this up and get a few things happening with this. The head and the tail we're going to be using for a nice curry, a fish head curry, which is fantastic. Going to get some steaks out of it. It's been cleaned, so it's been cleaned inside. It's been descaled and it's had its, fins and that chopped off. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got the head off, and when I took the head off, I took all that out as well, which is a thin piece on the side. So that's an absolute beauty. We're definitely going to waste that. There's loads of meat in there and just very tasty. So head aside. We're going to get that into some steaks now. Okay, look at that. Absolutely fabulous. Really big and chunky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really, really big ones. We're going to make 2 things from that. So 1, 2 recipes from there, and the head and the trimmings. That would make 3 recipes. Let's get on with it. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of these lovely steaks here that you just saw me cut from the fish. Butter, lemon, really, really delightful. Nice little process, a couple of other little things in there. But yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, let's get on with this one. Nice and simple. Couple of beautiful cod steaks. This is actually a hamor, which is a grouper, very, very similar to cod. Nice and thick, you can see that. Nice thick cuts on there. Simply, we're going to get some olive oil, salt and pepper on that. And then we're going to get it cooked up. Absolutely delicious. So I've just popped them in a little mixing bowl. Let's start off by getting some salt happening. Then the black pepper I'm using today is a kind of cracked, coarse ground or coarse milled. If you don't have this, you can use regular pepper, but I just like this on there. I'm then going to add a little bit of sweet paprika. And again, you could be really playing around now. You can get whatever herbs and spices you like in here. Olive oil. And lemon juice. Got my glove on here. We're just going to throw this around in there. Now, if you want, you can leave this in your refrigerator for a couple of hours. But really, you want to leave it for at least 30 minutes. But that's beautiful. Nice and simple. So I've got a pan here or a skillet. Very simply, we're going to pick this up, drop them in. Now we are on a medium heat. You don't want to cook these too crazy because, one, these ones are really thick. And 2, you don't want to burn the outside and have the center raw. So nice medium heat. I've just put the flame on now, so it's just heating up. That looks fantastic. And as you saw, I just tipped all of the rest of the marination in there. Okay, it's going to be about 8 or 9 minutes on a medium heat, and I'm going to be turning it 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, off goes the heat, and you can see now that we've got some beautiful color on there. They look delicious. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to remove these from the pan. We're going to clean the pan, and then we're coming back with the pan. So we've got ourselves a clean pan there, and as you can see, heat's just going on to just below medium. There's some butter there, a nice knob of butter. To that, we're going to add lemon juice, and you can add it right now. And then just let that cook for 2 minutes. The butter will dissolve and we can move on. In fact, it's a good idea to do it this way because sometimes the butter can burn. This way the butter won't burn. And then to that butter, we're going to add a little bit of chopped parsley. This is a flat leaf parsley. We're then going to grab our fish, drop that in. Heat's going to go on really low now, and we're just going to spoon over some of the lemon butter on a nice gentle simmery heat. You can flip them over a couple of times, only like 2 to 3 minutes max, and that fish is done. Perfect, beautiful inside. It's going to be lovely and soft and juicy inside. Have a massive lemon flavor, and of course got that lovely color on the outside. Okay, and there you go. Just super, super easy and delightful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up and do leave a comment. We like to know that you're well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. It's just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.